Do you want to know how you can choose templates on your v.io account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can choose templates on v.io. Go ahead and open v.io, log into your account, and as soon as you open up, there is templates over here. If you click on templates, you can see all of the templates over here. So these are some of the templates offered, which are for free, and these are pro versions. So you can see that there are AI avatars and you can choose a template. So you can either choose these templates or you can just create your custom template. Let's go ahead and choose any of these. And you can see that you can start editing in this template. It is fully usable, and then you can click start editing. In a while, this template will load up on your screen and you can start editing it in v.io. You can see that this template has been applied and you can see all of the things has been created automatically. You can see the order of the things. You can see all of these are here. So if you just go ahead and play this video and check, this is fully automatic and this is usable. This is how you choose your template and make it your own. I hope this video about how you can choose your template on v.io was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.